Opening Zoom app, Zoom Workplace, join a meeting, entering meeting ID, click join, preparing meeting, unable to connect. Make sure you are connected to the internet and your connection to Zoom is not blocked by a firewall or proxy. Error 5003. Unable to connect error occurs. Solution: go to date and time settings, turn on set time automatically. Now join a meeting. Enter the passcode. Now I can join the meeting without getting the error. Subscribe. Other solution: ensure Wi-Fi is connected with internet access. If internet access is not available, then the error will occur. Another solution: go to settings, apps, all apps, search for Zoom app, go to storage and cache, clear cache. This might fix the problem. Subscribe.